Hello ji, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've stocked up some items from Hi-Fi and I've got my hands on Pond's this time. So again, which is the Pakistani brand. And Pond's has rebranded itself really well with the packaging and quality. And they already had their face wash and creams, but they've upgraded their formula, which is like a really good thing, like rebranding yourself into the market where you already have like so much of the competition. So let's review them together. So the first thing which we have is Pond's Bright Beauty, and the packaging says that it has the glutan niacinamide complex in it, which instantly brightens up your skin whenever you apply it. If we talk about the packaging, I actually loved it, especially the glossy touch of it, the silvery and the logo, the pink logo, the flower on it. I actually liked it. Also on the packaging, we have rest of the details, like it has niacinamide, Glutaboost, also innovative gel formula. So of course we'll see the formula how it is, and also it visibly brighten the skin. And rest of the packaging is same, like it has how to use, direction, ingredients, and of course the weight of the product, which is 50 grams. Now let's see how the formula is, but before that, look at the jar, how cute it is, like the very simple, very minimal texture on it, very cute jar. And this is how it looks from inside. The formula is really good, very creamy and very lightweight. Let me apply it on my hands and show you how lightweight it is and how instant glow it gives. Okay, so you guys can see the brightness on my hand, and I'm really actually happy with it because this is the very first time I'm using this product myself. So yeah, thumbs up for it. So now let's move towards the next product, which is basically the face wash, which has niacinamide and vitamin B3. Okay, and the packaging is really cute, the very pinky glossy color with black text on it, and the silver logo again, which I really liked. And it also says that it gives 4 times visibly brighter skin. So let's see. Rest of the packaging is same with the same information, how to use, ingredients, steps, storage, and of course the weight of the product, which is 100 grams. For the texture of this face wash, I feel like it's a bit oily and sort of greasy, but of course when you use it with water, it becomes better. It does dries up your skin, girlies, but of course you can apply a nice moisturizer afterwards. But the good part is, as it claims that it brightens up your skin 4 times, so it actually does. You can try it. And also overall, I would rate this brand and these 2 products 8 out of 10. Still they can improve their formula, especially the face wash. Rest everything is good. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.